This looks so adorable. My god, this is the cheapest bag I've ever seen. Love it. Can you guys guess the price of this bag? I got this one for just £5 and 39 pence. Yes, you guys heard it right. Hey guys, this is Pooja Bera and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great, and for today's video I'll be sharing with you guys Temu haul. Now this haul is going to contain a lot of bag option and hair accessory option. Thanks to Temu for sending across all the products which you guys are about to see in today's video. You guys could go ahead, use this coupon code to get extra discount while shopping from Temu. Also, everything is so affordable and so cute and aesthetic. You guys are gonna go crazy watching this haul, so make sure you guys hook to the video till the end. And before getting into the actual video, make sure you guys like, comment, share and subscribe. And without further more delay, let's quickly jump right into the haul. Let's start with the bag options first. So Temu have sent across this crossbody sling bag. I mean, look at this color. This screams fashion. I so wanted to hold a emerald green color bag in my closet, and finally I have it. This could be used as a crossbody / sling bag, or could be used as a handbag just like this, and it looks very chic and stylish at the same time. I think this kind of bags are gonna look good on any outfit which is black colored or white colored specifically. And the storage space looks something like this. I have kept my wallet inside this so that I could show you guys the storage. So basically some makeup stuff or keys, everything can fit. This is magnet based button, so once you do this it gets hooked quickly. Talking about the quality, I think this screams luxury, and I would highly recommend you guys eyeing on this particular bag because of the color and the quality. Can you guys guess the price of this bag? I got this one for just £5 and 39 pence. Yes, you guys heard it right. Straight away head to the description box to check out this bag. Second bag is very trendy, and I am sure you guys must have not seen this bag anywhere. Look at it. This is very unique. This is piano themed. Again, a cross body shoulder / sling bag or a handbag. So the best part is this straps are detachable. This looks so adorable. I am quite obsessed with this. Section looks something like this. I've kept my sunglasses and my headphones, and also there is a little bit storage space here where you can keep your coins or your house keys. Surprisingly, the quality of this bag is also good. It doesn't smell bad, by the way. Usually the bags which are of cheap quality smell bad, but this one, can I say I'm in love with this? Again, I got this one for £5 and 39 pence. It's a steal deal. You need to check out this bag right away. Next bag which I would like to show you guys is this parrot green shoulder bag. Looks very elegant, and not sure if you guys love such kind of colors. I mean, I love to keep my outfit like very simple, but like to throw a pop of color using some accessories. That could be a bag or maybe a heels. It has got such kind of detailing on the straps, and the storage space looks something like this. You can use this bag for an everyday basis while you are on a vacation. Wear a simple fit and throw this bag. I'm telling you guys, people are definitely going to compliment you. My god, this is the cheapest bag I've ever seen. This retails for £3 and 99 pence. My god, Temu is just acing with every bag launches, and I would highly recommend you guys checking the Temu's bag section, because I am going to hold more bags from Temu from now onwards. Currently, I am in a flower girl era, and bags like this, oh my god. This is a beautiful knitted tote bag. For those who are unaware of the trend, I'll tell you guys, this is literally trending. This bag gives such a summer vibe. Wear a white dress and pair it with this tote bag. I bet you everybody is going to come to you and ask you where you got this bag from. It is very cute. It has got this heart everywhere, and the storage is of course like really good. I think this kind of tote bag I'm gonna carry every day. First thing, it looks cute. Second thing, it has a lot of storage. It's good to carry for a nearby grocery run. So don't mind it if you guys see me carrying this bag every day. Got this bag for £7 and 39 pence, which I don't mind investing because the quality of this bag is really good. The knit is of really high quality and it's not like very thin. Clearly I'm obsessing over this. Alright, we have our last bag which looks something like this. This is a shell shaped handbag with pearl detailing going all over the straps. Love it. I mean, this also looks so luxurious. When I open it, the storage space looks something like this. If you guys want to be party ready, then this is the bag you need to have. I'm not sure if they have any color options in this particular bag, but I would definitely recommend you guys to go ahead with this white one. Looks so elegant. And if you guys ask me how much would I rate this, I would definitely rate it a 10 on 10. You guys need to have this fancy bag in your closet. Let's talk about the price. I got this one for £6 and 29 pence. Do you guys think it's expensive or its price range is moderate? Whatever your thoughts are, do let me know in the comments down. Now let's quickly move on to the cute hair accessories section. I got myself couple of butterfly clips. Look at this. Oh my god. You just need to curl your hair and then stuff such kind of butterflies in your hair from the back. This kind of clips are gonna look so cute as a wedding guest hair accessory. Let me just open quickly and show it to you. Look at this one. Looks so cute. I got like 12 butterfly clips, and of course this is not of cheap quality at all. It has got this rhinestone detailing at the center, and of course this looks so adorable. Can't wait to style this. Got this 12 pieces of butterfly for £3 and 49 pence. You guys, I got this knitted flower clips. Look at it. Looks so cute. I got 7 pieces of this. The quality of this clip is like really good. 7 pairs of cute knitted flower clips for just £1 and 29 pence. I've got like bunch of scrunchies from Temu. These are like 12 pieces soft satin scrunchies. Most of them belong to the pastel family. Planning to do a hair curling video using such satin scrunchies. Now I got this 11 pieces of satin scrunchies, £1 and 49 pence. Last but not least, we have this. Oh god, it's all wired. Alright, so we have this beaded headband which has got this beautiful handwork done with beads and pearls embedded all over it. This is going to look so good. Let me quickly show it to you guys how it's supposed to look. I mean, I'm a content creator and I create lot of, creative looks and all of that. So for such kind of looks, I think this kind of hairbands are gonna look so good. I mean, look at it. Such a stunner. This is also one of the way to take your style statement to next level, because of course pairing a simple outfit and then working around with some hair accessories, that's gonna add so much attention. Alright, I got this headband for £1 and 49 pence. Oh my god, just to realize I have this particular nail is broken, and anyways the show must go on. It's not quite tacky and it's fitted properly on my head, so a big thumbs up from me. So yeah, we have reached the end of this video. I hope you guys loved this Temu haul. In case you loved it, you guys know what to do next. Make sure you guys like, comment, share and subscribe, and make sure you guys let me know in the comments down which all hauls you guys would love to see next. I would be more than happy to make it for you, or maybe I can make more Temu hauls. Just let me know which category I should target next for Temu haul, and of course the girl can't say no to you. I'm gonna make more often such videos. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll catch you guys super soon. Till then, take care. Bye.